Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to put a website under maintenance in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here. In the main page you want to go ahead and log into your WordPress account in the upper right corner. So after logging into your account successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page of your website where we can now get started with seeing all the sections at the left side screen that we can use for managing our website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can put our website under maintenance. Basically, what we're looking for, guys, is to go right here into the plugins section. We are going to go ahead and be finding a plugin that's going to enable us to enter a maintenance mode. So this is going to open up this new plugins marketplace where you can find all the plugins you can use for a store, and you can use the search bar right here at the top of the screen to search for maintenance mode. So search for maintenance mode. After searching for this, it's going to go ahead and give us a list of all the plugins that we can use that can enable maintenance mode in our WordPress website. So you can see, guys, we have multiple ones that you can try out, such as slim maintenance mode, you have the smart maintenance mode, simple, and so on. You can find the one that's going to work the best for you. Once you have found the one you want to use, you can open it up and click the install button that's going to appear right here. As you can see, currently I'm on a free plan, so I cannot install it, but if you have your plan, you can install it using the option right here and enable it for your website to go into maintenance mode, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.